Siddharth. Today we are going to present our project Disher Robot. This Disher Robot's rate is 1000 rupees. We didn't keep it at low price. We thought of 100 rupees, but everybody would have it and we'll soon have them sold out.
Very smart.
Now we'll present our act. Thank you. Oh my god, there was yesterday in the party, they made such a mess. I cannot clean all of these dishes. Oh, no problem, grandmother. Please sit down and watch TV. Hi everybody, do you have any problem cleaning dishes? Yes. Okay. We have a new invention, Disher Robot, which is helpful for everyone. Grandson, did you see the ad in TV? It said that we can buy a Disher Robot. Wow, how much date is it for? It's just 1000 rupees. Okay, we'll go right now and buy the Disher Robot. Okay. So this is the Disher Robot. Now it works like this. First you open this. You keep the plates inside this. You on this. It goes up. All you need to do is take the plate like this. You place it here. Now this cleans the plates by itself and you throw them down and the dryer cleans it all up. The next day if you remove it, the plate is down. Done. Thank you.
Yes. Any questions? As we go for the voting, do we have any questions? The cost of it?
1000 rupees.
So they're saying 100 rupees.
We'll have them sold out quick if we keep them for 100 rupees, or else we can decrease the rate to 500 rupees.
Yes. One second.
Hi. So where do you put the dishwasher soap in?
It's all automatic. It cleans it by the water. You just need to keep the soap here itself, somewhere here. Now when you clean it, this turns and it cleans the plate. And next it sprinkles some water and it's cleaned up. You just need to keep it down like this and it dries up.
That's awesome. Thank you. I don't have to worry about my maid not showing up now. Thank you.
Any other questions? All right, guys. I think. Sorry, somebody has a question. No. Thank you, guys. Would you like to talk about your team name once again so that they can vote for you?
The superstars.
The Superstars. Thank you.